How to change region in Valorant. This is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to go to any web browser and type Riot Game Support. Tap this one here. And then after that, you have to click this one, Riot Games Support. And it will take you to this page. Now here, what you're going to do is to click Valorant. And you have to make sure also that you're logged into your account to proceed and continue with this tutorial. So now that you're logged into your account, you have to click Valorant again. And then you have to scroll down and look for submit a ticket. Okay, so as you can see, we have here Valorant and then scroll down, go to can't find what you're looking for, click submit a ticket. Okay, so once you tap this one, you have to click this choose request type. So tap this and then select this account management data request or deletion. After you tap this, they will ask you again to sign in. Okay, so you must be logged in before you can submit this type of ticket. Okay, so you just have to tap that. Now here for subject, you just have to type account region. And then for description, you can say anything here. You can type anything here like, please help me to change my region to Europe, to Asia. Okay. So I have here, hello, please help me to change my region in Valorant to Europe, to Asia. Okay. You can also give them your email address so that they can reach you, or you can also add something like thank you. As you can see, I added here, is it possible to change it to Asia or something like that? But actually, everything is up to you. It should be related to change region. And then here, please select your entry account management, log in, okay, log in name. And then here, please select your entry, need help region for residence or changing region of residence. Okay, so updating your region of residence, click check, and then here you can upload or add your file as a proof that you are encountering this kind of problem. Click submit and wait for the customer service team to respond and help you with this matter. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.